All right, my people. Now welcome back again to a lot of bogus crazy update. Una know as the matter they be. I beg make una like this video, share, comment. At the same time, my people, I beg make una subscribe to this YouTube channel as Baba K TV. Press the bell notification so that anytime when I drop your video, you will be the first person to see at one time. All right, my people, without wasting no time, may we enter the matter we carry us come here. Alright, my people, some group of guys don't go carry ashawo. This especially one particular guy for inside now carry this ashawo. After he don't do what he want do with this ashawo finish, this girl finish, and this thing happen for Edo State. After he don't do everything we do with this girl finish, now the guy come dey complain say the girl get body odor, the girl something, the girl Polani e low sweet, the girl Polani low tight, say e too wide, all those stuff. So because of that one now, this guy they refuse say he don't want pay this girl the money wey be say they bargain for. Now the thing don dey cause kasala wey be say e don dey happen between the boy and girls and those group of guys wey dem dey see for there. So now this thing now don dey result to issue wey be say e don cause another wahala as una dey see the girl for ground. So whether na kill, they call it a kill the girl, or the girl wetin they do to the girl wey be say the girl come take lie down like person wey be say e don die for there. So make una drop una comment and the opinion below. Make you tell me wetin this guy really do to this girl, whether it really makes sense or not. Now the girl business na be that. As una take bargain, if the thing no sweet, you for no enter there the first time. You just tell the girl say, oh, I no like the way you take there, but they say you make sense for as it is you, but no be say you don't already enter finish, you come dey give the girl explanation. Maybe you just the 5 person pikin wey you want first kill for the first time, na be that. Alright, my people, make una check the video, una see the way the matter take play. Oh yeah, verificate.
Oh wow, I saw the local girl for outside.
Alright, my people, sure I don't see the way the matter take place. So make you drop your comment and your opinion below. May you tell me whether what these guys they really do, whether it makes sense for jail or not. May we enter another matter where carry us come here. Time. Alright, this one I want take and just beg everybody, take her advice everybody. Make we know wetin be say we dey drink for public. I know say many of us we don't dey used to this wine, juice and everything we be say we dey take, but at least maybe we dey really dey know the source where those things for dey come. This one a fake LSC company wey be say fake LSC drink wey be say some group of people they just dey do this thing for inside house, go package and go dey sell for people for outside. Wey be say the lavender people they no even dey aware concern this thing. Everything I know say this world you don't get as it take get killed, and everything will be say they happen for this world right now. Now God now they save us, a lot of people for this life. The way a lot of people they do anything at all just to make sure say they make money, they don't even care about people life. I bet maybe we dey know 1 or 2 things wey be say we dey take and we dey drink, and at the same time maybe we dey really dey verify the expiry date, the company where this thing really come from, before we will just dey pour anything wey we like put for our mouth or in the name of enjoyment. Make una see the way they take catch those group of people for the fake LSC wey be say they do. Oh yeah, verificate.
Been able to discover another what I would call manufacturing company. This is where they manufacture Hennessy. This is Hennessy VSO. Jesus Christ. In their numbers. See? These are the rubber they used to mix the team of Anambra State.
Alright, my people, sure I don't see the way the matter take play. I beg, make we dey use our head, make we still dey pray before we drink or take anything wey be say e dey enter our mouth. We know say no matter how e dey be, na God na dey save us for this life. E no easy, but God go make it easy for us. I beg make you dey like this video, make you dey share am to your loved ones, make we really dey see wetin dey happen for this life, so that make we dey secure ourselves before we do anything. Alright, my people, make you subscribe to this channel, at the same time press the bell notification, make you dey get update for any matter wey we dey drop for here. Make we enter another matter wey carry us come here no time. Before I end this video, make I show una one post wey one guy post concerning the Nigeria matter. This guy say very soon Nigeria no go dey ashamed. He say very soon Nigeria will not be ashamed of being in Nigeria. So this post really makes sense to me, but not until I can see wetin really happen concerning this June 12 protest wey dem really protest. It can make me really realize say no be everything we need to dey blame all those leaders, all those government wey be say dey Nigeria. Before Nigeria go fit change, we ourselves as individual, we need to change our attitude, our mentality, the way we take get love for money. We need to change it. Everybody for Nigeria, they already talk about we corrupt. Any person wey be say corruption dey favor the country, na the best country so far for that person. We dey blame say Buhari na him dey be problem for everything. Buhari bad, yes. As a president, we dey always see as the figurehead, as person wey be say he dey rule the country. The first time Buhari fit come out now, he say during the coronavirus, say he share money and palliative to people. And really, we see say all states, they receive those things. But tell me, the governor of the state, whether he really share give the people, that one now we don't need to blame Buhari. We need to blame the governor and the people who be say did the state too. Share now they see the way the matter they go. So a lot of things there we go they blame Buhari. The first protest will happen the other time. The same youth they protest. The same youth still collect money to adjust the protest. Make they talk say na hoodlums. Now they protest. Now people they come they vandalize a lot of people, market, shops and a lot of things. Make police come enter the matter. Make they say now the protester now they do these things. Sure now they see where the matter for the apple. So we go they cry say the government they are bad. A lot of things they go wrong. But we ourselves, when they just give us small thing, youth go start to the day against youth. All those things now, factors wey be say the government, the need that they don't really study us, no say any small thing, now they take they catch us, we just be like foul to them. When they just want catch us now to put come for ground, before you know the person don't waka enter inside. People come out now for June 12, make them protest against the bad leadership, concerning the bad government. People they shall say Buhari must go, Buhari must go. Some other group organize themselves because of this, they don't buy their mind. And there's still be the same youth where we say they still did the country. They complain concerning the issue where they happen for the country, say look good. Just because of 1,000 naira, they buy those people conscience. Because of 1,000 naira, you take make your parents still they suffer for where they did. Because of 1,000 naira, you don't graduate, you don't see work. They block your mouth with 1,000 naira. You don't feel talk again, you don't feel complain to the government, to the leader, concerning your unemployment where they happen, concerning the suffering where they happen for your country. Just tell me with this thing where they happen, no, are you where they watch me again, where you they watch me now, you feel still blame Buhari, say now be the problem of this country. Before I end this video, make I show now the video of some guests where be say they collect the same money just to day against the protester where they protest against Buhari. May you tell me your comment and your opinion. And at the same time, this one will be the end of this video where they do so. May you subscribe to this channel and press that bell notification so that anytime when I drop new video, you go to see am one time. Alright, my people, until I meet you again for my next video. Meanwhile, make una watch the video, make una see the way the protest matter take go. Alright, verificate.
How much again? How much?
For 1,000 naira. That's what bring us come here. For 1,000 naira.
To support you. To support you.
Baba Buhari.